Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, how are you? So if you haven't seen the title, which you probably have, I am unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box. I tried to get the, I think it was Supreme and Deluxe. I tried to get one of those, but they were sold out within 5 minutes, of course, and so I had to get the smaller one, which I'm totally fine with, but I wanted more to show you guys. I will only get 4 items in this box, so I can only show you 4, but I am so excited to see what I got. Let me know if you guys also got one of the boxes. I want to know like what you guys got in yours, and if you guys have videos of you unboxing them, I would love to see them. I'm probably gonna watch Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings for like 3 days straight, so fun times. I can't wait to see what I got inside. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into it. What a mystery. I can't even wait any longer. Let's do this. Oh, and also, hi, how are ya? We have to hydrate / stay awake with our Red Bull. And of course, iconic, we have a reusable straw, which we love saving the planet. We stand. Let's do this. Let the surgery commence. I've been watching too much Grey's Anatomy lately. So excited. I do want to say that I was so excited for this mystery box because I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday ever. And so when he decided to come out with one for Halloween, I was so excited, and I really wish that I could have gotten the big ones. Like, I really wanted it for myself. Not even just to unbox, but for myself. But unfortunately, they sold out, and I'm still really bitter and salty about it. But I love him. I think Jeffree Star is amazing. I love the Jeffree Star and Shane collab. I think it's insane and amazing and iconic and everything, really. And I think just everything they're doing is super, super cool and awesome. And I really hope that when the Shane palette comes out, I can afford it. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Okay. Okay, so there should be 4 items, I believe. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, to be honest, I was really scared because I had just bought Red Rum, I think it was, like the red lipstick. I just bought one of those. And I haven't really used it too much, and I was afraid that that's what I would get in my mystery box. Like, of course, because I just purchased it, I was like, of course it's gonna come, you know what I mean? But looks like I got First Class. Ooh. Shake well before use. Oh my goodness. Iconic. Is it like a gold? Oh, girl. Can you guys see that color? I hope you guys can see it because it's kind of iconic. I say iconic a lot, I'm sorry. Ooh, it's like a gold. That is super pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, okay, let's open these smaller ones first. Watch it be Red Rum, I swear. No, okay, good. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, glazed. I got glazed lip ammunition. Ooh, what kind of color is it? Oh, is that also gold? Oh, it's like a shimmery yellow. It almost looks silver in some lighting, and then it's like yellow also. I hope you guys can see. But you could also look it up on his website. So this is glazed. Wait, is it glazed or blazed? It's a little hard to see because it's like lime green. Glazed. Okay, so that's glazed, and it's a lip ammunition. It's like a yellow, but like a shiny yellow. That's really cool. Okay, so I already love what I got, obviously. I'm so excited. Another liquid lipstick. This one is Soul Sucker. Love that for me. Yes! Oh my gosh, is this like a black? I freaking iconic. I will say the brush on this one almost feels like it's about to break, like, and it feels a little not the greatest, which is weird because usually his stuff like is really high quality, and so I'm a little weirded out that it feels like the thing is about to like burst, but not burst, but like it feels very flimsy, like the brush part. It feels like if I just like a little bit too hard, like it'll fall apart. So Hopefully that's not the case, but it's like a, oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's like a black with like gold flecks. I really hope you guys can see. But yeah, it's like black and it's got gold flecks. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. You guys. Okay, I got the mini breaker. I'm so excited. Literally when I was at the store with my friend, we went to the Morphe store in Chicago. Check out that Chicago vlog if you haven't, because we did a huge haul of mostly Jeffree Star things. You guys, I literally was debating between the mini and the big one, and I bought the big one, and now I'm so glad I did, because now I have this little mini one. Iconic. I'm too much. You guys, this is amazing. I almost got this one too, and the best part is that it's different colors, like it's different shades. I'm pretty sure all of them are different shades, like none of these are on the original palette, which is like, that's so amazing, because it's now I have two palettes from the same collection, but they're both completely different. I love this. I love this so much. Bite Me kind of looks like the purple that I'm wearing right now. Ooh, Double Scoop looks like it'll be cool. This is amazing. This is awesome, and it comes with a little mirror. Girl, who is she? This is so great for travel. Oh, wow. I'm so excited, you guys. This is, I love it. I love it so much. I'm so happy. So this is everything I got from my little Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what other people got also. I can't wait to watch more videos. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think his stuff is great, and I think my favorite thing is obviously the like mini breaker palette. I mean, for one, it's probably the most money, like the most expensive, and I was gonna get that. Like, I was so close to buying it in the store. Like, I thought it was so cute, and I'm so excited that I have it now. So perfect for travel. Absolutely adore it. And then Soul Sucker is my second thing I'm most excited about, because how cool is that? It's literally like black with gold specks. I've never seen a liquid lipstick like this. This is so cool. And then First Class I am excited about, because it's like a gold, and I think these will be really cool liquid lipsticks to like play around with and do different cool like spooky looks. And then Glazed I'm excited about, but also I just don't know if I'll get much wear out of it. But I kind of love that it's something outside of my, like, it's not something that I would normally buy, and so I think that's actually really cool, because it'll help me kind of do a different look, maybe like help me out of my comfort zone, because I love playing with different like and cool makeup. I love doing that, so I'm very excited to see where this takes me. What kind of looks this brings about. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which item you thought was the coolest in the comments below. Let me know what items you got and what items you're so excited about for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.